Hey all, welcome back to the Techness Corner. Stepping in for your boy Seb Luka. So let's go. By the way, why did the PC gamer upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11? Because they heard it was the 11th hour for their old operating system. It's worth noting that upgrading to any new operating system can come with its own set of challenges, such as compatibility issues with older software or hardware. It's always a good idea to do your research and make sure that upgrading to Windows 11 is the right decision for you and your PC gaming setup. Of course, the specific benefits of upgrading to Windows 11 will depend on your specific needs and the features and improvements that it offers. Reasons why upgrading to Microsoft Windows 11 is more beneficial to the user who is predominantly a PC gamer. Well, there are several potential benefits to upgrading to Microsoft Windows 11 for a PC gamer. 1. Improved performance. Windows 11 is designed to be faster and more efficient than previous versions of Windows, which could result in improved performance and frame rates while gaming. For example, the operating system may be better optimized for use with graphics-intensive games or may include features that help reduce latency and improve overall system performance. Windows 11 may be better compatible with newer games or hardware. If you're having issues running certain games or using certain hardware with Windows 10, upgrading to Windows 11 may help resolve those issues. 2. Enhanced graphics. Windows 11 includes support for the latest graphics technologies, such as DirectX 12 Ultimate, which can provide improved visuals and effects in games. 3. New features. Windows 11 includes new features that could be beneficial for PC gaming. For example, the operating system includes improved support for multiple monitors or new tools for optimizing graphics settings. Windows 11 includes a number of other gaming-specific features, such as the ability to capture and share gameplay clips, automatic game updates, and Windows 11 includes a game mode feature that allows the operating system to optimize system resources for gaming, potentially resulting in a smoother and more stable gaming experience. 4. Xbox integration. Windows 11 includes enhanced integration with the Xbox ecosystem, allowing gamers to stream their Xbox games to their PC, access their Xbox friends list, and more. It's worth noting that while Windows 11 may offer some benefits for PC gamers, it's not necessarily a requirement for playing games. Many games will run just fine on Windows 10, and the decision to upgrade should be based on the specific needs and preferences of the user. That said, Windows 11 may be better compatible with newer games or hardware. If you're having issues running certain games or using certain hardware with Windows 10, upgrading to Windows 11 may help resolve those issues. So you starting to get the flow of Snoop's rhetoric here, peeps? I mean, if I can ask, why did the PC gamer upgrade to Windows 11? Because they heard it had direct storage, and they were tired of waiting for their games to load. Windows 11 includes a feature called direct storage that is designed to improve the performance of games by reducing the load on the storage subsystem. Direct storage aims to improve game loading times and reduce in-game stuttering by offloading certain tasks from the storage system to the GPU. Of course, the actual performance improvements that you may see with direct storage will depend on your system's hardware and the specific game or application you are using. It's worth noting that direct storage is just one of many features in Windows 11 that may improve the performance of games on your PC. Whether or not upgrading to Windows 11 is the right decision for you will depend on a variety of factors, including your hardware, the games you play, and your overall computing needs. And finally, Windows 11 may include improved security features that could help protect your PC from malware and other threats. This could be especially important for gamers, as online gaming can expose your system to a higher risk of security threats. So do's and dudettes, hope this has armed yourselves with key knowledge if for any reason you have been still sitting on the fence and considering the plunge yet into Windows 11. Let's go, peeps. YAWL out, and don't forget to hit the like and SUB button on the way out. Peace.